ADC, a world leader in core diagnostic instruments, applied our innovative design approach and pricing sensibility to our line of fingertip pulse oximeters. SpO2, or peripheral oxygen saturation, measures the body's ability to absorb and carry oxygen. Pulse oximeters measure SpO2 by calculating the light absorbed at the red and near-infrared frequencies when projected through blood vessels. Pulse oximeters are typically found in handheld instruments, multi-parameter monitors, and ultra-compact fingertip models that combine the sensor and display in one unit. ADC pulse oximeters are extremely accurate and among the industry's most popular. ADC offers a number of fingertip models for professional and consumer applications. The 2100 is our most feature-rich model for the healthcare provider that requires portable spot monitoring of SpO2. From its multicolor OLED display to its ultra-compact profile, the 2100 is the instrument of choice for discriminating professionals. The Animals 2150, with its smaller sensor and child-friendly animal graphic, is designed for pediatric patients. Feature-rich, the 2150 provides multiple display orientations and brightness settings and comes complete with a variety of convenient accessories. The Advantage 2200 is designed for measurement at home. It's the instrument of choice for the patient that needs to monitor their SpO2 values or the sports enthusiast that wants to bring their fitness to the next level. And to protect your investment, ADC fingertip pulse oximeters are backed by some of the industry's most comprehensive warranties.